Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I have for you 7 news about funding rounds of companies leveraging artificial intelligence in their businesses. On the Wall Street Journal, Sarah Castellanos and Angus Lawton report that SoftBanks' new fund stands to shake up enterprise tech. SoftBank Group Corporation's $108 billion technology fund, the company's second tech mega fund in 2 years, is aimed at accelerating the development of startups focused on artificial intelligence and data analytics. However, the scale of Vision Fund 2 recently announced is expected to have an influence on the venture capital industry itself, where firms are accustomed to working with smaller sums of money, said the two reporters. Prominent corporations that are expected to participate in Vision Fund 2 include Apple, Microsoft, iPhone assembler Foxconn, Standard Chartered Bank, Japanese financial giants Mizuho Bank, Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation, and MUFG Bank. SoftBank said it plans to contribute $38 billion into the new fund, point out Castellanos and Angus. On the other hand, CNBC argues that SoftBank's second megafund for AI startups could saturate any already flooded sector with additional cash amid skepticism about investor interest. The Wall Street Journal also raised doubt that SoftBank really has $108 billion for the Vision 2 fund, which would be the largest tech fund in history. Monica Melton on Forbes reports that Babylon Health, a UK-based startup whose fact growth has been shadowed by concerns about the efficacy of its telemedicine apps, for example, its AI-powered diagnostic chatbot, has raised more than $500 million in Series C funding, elevating the company to unicorn status, meaning that it has an evaluation of more than $1 billion. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, which invests on behalf of the Saudi Arabian government, led the round that valued the company at $2 billion with a total of $635 million raised. An unnamed US health insurer and a fund of global reinsurer Munich Re also invest. The new capital will enable the company to expand into more markets, including the US and Asia, Babylon said, and it will also bolster its artificial intelligence capability on the platform, which serves 4.3 million users worldwide. Marianne Acevedo on Crunchbase reports that real estate tech company Compass, which is building a platform to streamline the buying and selling of homes, has raised $370 million in a Series G round that takes its valuation to $6.4 billion as the space continues to grow hotter and bigger. The round brings the company's total funded to over $1.5 billion since it was founded in 2012 as Urban Compass. A mix of new and existing investors participate in this latest round, including Canada Pension Plan Investment Board, Qatar Investment Authority, and the Basis SoftBank Vision Fund. Compass said it plans to invest in platform software and scaling operations, including continued expansion of its East and West Coast product and engineering hubs. It's also planning to use its new capital to invest more in cloud, mobile, and artificial intelligence, says Acevedo. On Xconomy, Brian Dowling reports that automated machine learning platform DataRobot raised $200 million in a Series E round to advance its automated machine learning and artificial intelligence software with a valuation of more than $1 billion, giving the company the unicorn status. The cash infusion comes less than a year after the startup closed its $100 million Series D round led by Palo Alto, California-based venture firms Meriter Capital and Sapphire Ventures. And the cash infusion is aimed at maintaining the company's competitiveness as more companies crowd into the enterprise machine learning sector. The worst thing is to take it easy and competitors start to catch up, said DataRobot CEO Jeremy Akin. On TechCrunch, Lucas Matney reports that data labeling company Scale AI closed a $100 million Series C round of financing led by Founders Fund with participation from Accel, GitUp2 Management, Instagram founders Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, and Quora CEO Adam D'Angelo among the many. Bloomberg argues that this funding will bring Scale's valuation past $1 billion. Many products of big AI companies like Waymo, OpenAI, Airbnb, Lyft rely on the label training data coming from Scale AI, which has around 100 employees and 30,000 contractors aiding in the labeling process, according to its 22-year-old CEO Alexander Wang. Congratulations. But its limited full-time staff is a small fraction of the human power behind the services Scale offers. In general, AI and machine learning is just growing so quickly as a field that it's appropriate to raise this amount that will allow us to capitalize on our ambitions, said Wang. Again on TechCrunch, Catherine Shu reports that Fiverr, a startup that uses proprietary algorithms to help companies plan events, basically a Netflix for experiences, raised $35 million round led by Rakuten Capital. Based in Madrid and London, Fiverr's app generates personalized events listing for users and feeds into its secret media network, which also collects user data from the company's social media channel. The company now claims 25 million unique users per month across its main markets in London, New York, Paris, and Madrid, and plans to use its new funding to expand into new cities like Chicago and Barcelona. Next, points out Shu. Then it will launch in new markets every couple of months, mostly in the United States and Europe this year, and also in Asia next year. Fiverr CEO Ignacio Bachiller told TechCrunch in an email. Bachiller also says that Fiverr may potentially collaborate with other Rakuten portfolio companies to help small businesses increase engagement with their customers. On VentureBeat, Kyle Wiggers reports that Massachusetts-based Sense, a firm developing a platform that taps AI to provide real-time insights on electrical usage, raised approximately $10 million in its Series B round funding co-led by McKinnon, Bennett & Company and IDEO Investments. Previous investors Schneider Electric and Landis plus Gear also contributed to bring the total B round investment to $30 million, and Sense total raised to $50 million after a first B round closed last fall. The cash infusion will help the launch of Sense's home energy app later this year as an uploadable plugin, for the Connect IoT platform within Landis plus Gear's power meters. Sense's tech was developed by a pioneering team, many of whom specialize in voice recognition. With a combination of sensors that connect to breakers inside the home's electrical panel, a Wi-Fi enabled dedicated computer box and number crunching remote servers, the company's $259 home energy monitoring system is able to distinguish among the electrical signatures of plugged-in devices. Okay, bye.